Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of mastering Arduino from beginner to core advanced. We are in module 3 and we are going to discuss about the topic while loop. Well, while loop is similar to for loop as we have studied previously, but there are some basic differences between the for loop and while loop. In while loop it does not require an increment, while in for loop the syntax says that it requires an increment. And for using a complex statement, even you can use a boolean statement to run a while loop, while this is not possible in for loop. Another important thing that a for loop is very good example for calling an array, while a while loop should not be preferred for such experiences. The basic difference between a for loop and while loop is that a for loop is specifically simple and controllable loop, while a while loop is individual and it can run on infinite long time, and it can also use the boolean values as conditions it can require. It can also use boolean values as the condition that are required to get the statement. Okay, let's just perform a while loop example here. If you want to learn the basics of while loop and how can it be used for different complex programming example, I am showing you a website which will give you a basic difference between them. Now here you can see that here it is written that for while loop the conditions and the for loop the conditions that are met. Okay, let's just go back and open the Arduino and let's just write a simple code for while loop. As usual, I have given an integer value x, and it is a global integer because it is a global variable. The as declared before, I am giving a variable a global signature so that it can be operated from all other the part of the programming. And let's just say that we have connected an LED to pin number 9. Okay, so declare it pin mode 9 comma output should be capital as I have told you earlier, and open the serial monitor for the better understanding. If the word does not turn orange, this means that you have made a simple mistake, or anything such as making alphabet lowercase or uppercase, or any syntax mistakes is done, then the word will not change to their definite color. For example, for calling something it will turn into orange. Set a baud rate that is fixed for our tests. We will performing another baud rate example in the further lectures. Okay, now get into the while loop. While loop is initialized by calling simple while. You can say 1 is equal to 1. This is the most common example of calling the while loop. It will make the LED glow for infinite long time. Okay, you can see that here if 1 is equal to 1, that is a basic knowledge of mathematics, that is always true, then it will run. This is an example of the boolean statement that the while loop can take inside it. Okay, let's just upload it to the board. It's uploading. Okay, you can see that the light will always glow because 1 is always equal to 1, and this is a known fact. Now in while loop you can perform other statements also, such as while you can say that while x is always greater than 5. This is the best example. You can also add the increment inside it, such as called x increment by every step. In while loop we have performed an activity that it is saying that in while loop, let's say that while x is smaller than 5, digital write 9 is equal to high. Let's just give it a delay of let's say 500 millisecond. Okay, now after exiting it should be given a statement, or else it will again run the whole void loop. 9 comma low, it will be running for next 5 seconds, so give a delay of 5000. Okay, in while loop if the x greater than 5, then it will exit the while loop. Until then it will be running continuously. Okay, let's just see it. We can also print it on the screen, so let's just print it on the screen. Write serial.println. it means print in next line each value, let's say x. Now just copy the whole statement and you can also paste it here for a better understanding of the program. Okay, now yeah, I have said that there should be syntax error. You can see that the word does not turn to orange. The same error here. Let's just remove it and let's just upload it to the board. Let's just save it as a name of while loop. It's uploading. And uploaded. Now you can say that in the digital serial monitor, I think there's some error in the code. While x is smaller, I have said you that there is an error. Now change it, the syntax, upload it once again. While x is smaller than 5, then the light will glow. After x greater, while x is smaller than 5, the light will glow. After getting a value of x that is greater than 5, the light will not glow. This is the simple syntax of the while loop, and we have performed it with the function of increment in it. You can see that the loop is running continuously. After the while loop, it has been entered into the next lines, but you can see that the value of x has been declared and it cannot be changed. So the function will not allow the LED to glow once again. This was the example of while loop, and we have declared the. Let's just recall the differences between them. For loop is used as a simple loop for declaration of variable. It has much greater extent of control over the loop, and it can also, both the loop can perform the break operation. Now while loop can also run on the boolean statements such as 1 is equal to 1, or the physical truths that are available in the world such as 1 is equal to 1 or 1 is equal to 1, or you can say that 2 is equal to 2, anything that can be a physical statement. And it can also run on the function of increment method. You can see that we have performed the same function as the for loop using a while loop, but there's a difference. In while loop, the last value is always less than 1. In this case, you can see that when it is smaller than 5, so the last value will be reading here is 4, while if you are perform the same function in the for loop, the last value it will be reading is equal to 5. In while loop it will be 4, and in for loop it will be 5. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.